this is Karanveer. Welcome back to my channel IELTS Tak. In this video I am going to give you prediction for speaking cue cards for April 2021. Guys, here are a list of cue cards which have high probability to come in April. So let's start today's video for IELTS cue card prediction. First cue card is describe a time when you really close to wild animal, what it looked like, where you saw it, what it likes to eat or do, why you like it. Second one is describe your favorite weather, what kind of weather it is, when this weather usually occurs, what do you usually do during this weather, explain how this weather affects you, explain why you like this type of weather. Third cue card is describe a part of city or a town you like to spend time in, where it is, what it like, what do you do there, and explain why you enjoy spending time there. Fourth cue card is describe a famous person you are interested in, who this person is, how you know about this person, what sort of life they had before they became famous, how this person became famous, and explain why you like this person. Fifth cue card is describe a time when your computer broke down, when it was, what were you doing, what did you do about it, and explain how you felt about it. Sixth cue card is describe a polite person you know, who is the person, explain how you know about him or her, explain why you think this person is polite. Seventh cue card is describe the thing that you bought and are happy about it. Explain why you bought, why you selected this product, explain from where you bought it, and explain why you are so happy about this. Next cue card is describe a time when you gave advice to someone, who you gave advice to, what the advice was, why you gave advice, and how you felt about it. Next one is describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time, when your family had it, how your family got it, explain why it is important for your family. Next cue card is describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for the first time, when you had it, where you ate it, what it was, and how you felt about it. Next is describe a goal you want to achieve, or describe an ambition that you have had for a long time, what the goal is, what you would like to do to achieve it, when you achieve it, explain why you want to achieve it. Next cue card is talk about a toy you liked in childhood, what was the toy, who gave it to you, how often did you play with it. Next one is describe a country where you would like to work for a short time, where would you like to work, what kind of job would it be, when would you like to go there, why would you like to go there. Next one is describe a time when you forget something important, when it happened, what you forget, what was the result of your forgetting, why it was important. Last one is describe a line that you remember from a poem or a song, what it is, what poem is it from, how you know about it, how you feel about it. So guys, these are the 15 cue cards that you need to prepare before IELTS exam in April, because these are the cue cards which are high probability to come in April. So you must need to prepare it before exam. Thanks for watching. Here are other two videos. You can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos, and share these all videos among your friends.